Magandang hapon po mga kababayan. Ako po si G. Tonji mula sa Los Angeles, California. Nanonood po kayo ng programa para sa mga Pilipino dito sa America on Free TV. And you know, there are people that you meet in your lifetime rather, that really change your perspective on things. Ito pong kasama natin ngayong hapon na to, nung nakilala ko po siya sa Pilipinas, nagbago talaga yung pananaw ko on a lot of things. And that's why I'm so happy that she's joining us all the way from Tokyo. She's here in Los Angeles and she's made the time to stop by para sa ating mga kababayan. Here she is, Teta Ortiz Matera. Hello, Teta.
Hi, G, and good afternoon to everybody. Ano nga ba? Magandang hapon. Konnichiwa.
Ayan. Okay, so you are in town from Tokyo.
Yes.
Gaano ka nakatagal sa Tokyo nakatira?
This time around 3 years. This is our second time to live in Tokyo. I actually met my husband in Tokyo. Our first child, our daughter, was born in Tokyo. So nung first time nakatira kami doon was about 10 years.
Okay, and then you moved back to the Philippines,
Yes.
raised both your children,
Yes.
na talaga naman nagtatagalog, nakakatuwa talaga.
Oo, medyo naninibago lang ako ng konti, pero perfect ng fluent naman ako sa Tagalog. So,
Oo.
yeah.
Okay, and then now you're in Tokyo, but what finds you here in Los Angeles?
Well, first and foremost, I'm here with my son, Sebi, our son. Baka medyo sabihin ng asawa ko, bakit may? But anyway, di ba? We're
Ang
here.
bunso mo.
Yes, my boo, as I call him.
Okay, so your bunso is going to college.
Soon, another year, yes.
Oh.
So we're here for a campus tour. And so we started yesterday. We saw 2 universities yesterday already. And then today, sasamahan ho kami ni G sa kaniyang school, UCLA. Can I say that?
Yes, my
so we're
alma
very
mater.
excited. Yeah.
Okay, so what is it about Southern California or California in general that is very appealing to you and Sebi?
Well, I guess because, you know, he was born and raised in the Philippines. Weather, you know, is very important because, you know, when you talk to the guidance counselor, it's not just about the school, it's not just about his course, but he has to feel at home, he has to be happy in the environment where he will be studying.
Okay, so if only everybody was so lucky to have a mom that could really help them out through that college process. It is such a process, isn't it? The
As in?
research, you know, there's so much involved in
Yes.
picking colleges
Yeah.
for your children.
You know, I tell my kids, you're so lucky because there's so much opportunity. You know, now we never had during, you know, when I was going to university, I never even thought to go to the US. Parang pag nakagraduate ka ng UP or ng Saints Co or Ateneo, it was such a big deal already. I mean,
Oo.
even to this day, right?
Oo.
But for our kids to have the opportunity to even look at colleges outside of where they are living now, it's such a blessing and an opportunity, but there's also so much competition. It's incredible.
I know,
So
yes.
really, it's very important for the parents to be involved from the beginning. But I'm also very happy to say na sa school ng anak ko, the guidance, the school itself actually gives a lot of support to the students to make sure that, you know, they're guided properly from the time that they think of like go to university to like actually choosing the universities to applying, you know, doing your essay. So they're there with you all the way. So the parents are, you know, working together with a guidance counselor to really make sure that your son or your daughter gets into the right school that they, you know, where they will thrive, where they will be very happy.
Would you say that it would be a milestone to think that your kids are off to college? I mean, that's a big accomplishment,
It
isn't
is.
it?
And I'm very happy to say that we're blessed with wonderful children also. Like, walang problema, na napaka-disiplinado, very responsible, they're very focused. I think also they appreciate the fact that they know that, especially my husband works very hard for their education. You know, education these days is sobrang mahal.
Important. At
Right?
mahal,
Yes,
oo.
of course, you know, right now for us, our primary investment, if I may use the term, are our children's education.
Of
You know,
course.
so secondary na all the things that we need or we want or something is really mostly for our children that, you know, we work hard and, you know, we live our lives for.
Exactly. You mentioned this when I first met you,
Yeah.
that you were a cancer survivor.
So, yes.
But little did I know that seeing her once again. She just finished another round.
Yes.
So, high five. Two-time cancer survivor,
Amen.
crushing it. We'll be right back. We'll hear about her story here on Kababae Today.
Okay.